I've been on Vanlife on pause. I've been very, very busy changing the Vanlife to an all-terrain Vanlife with these e-bikes I purchased. And the racks. I've got the one-up rack on the back of the van there. It's time to get fit. Sick of being unfit. So instead of being sedentary in the van, we're going to go off-terrain this season. Getting fit, getting trimmer, getting really lean.
Can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm falling and I don't know what to say. I speak a little louder, I'll even shout.
I found myself doing YouTube and Vanlife at the same time, which actually puts me in front of a computer screen way too much in a seated position. Now I'm off to Currumbin for the premiere of, I think it's The Serpent and the Poison, producer Lynn Sutherland. Let's go, guys. Here with Lynn Sutherland.
Hello.
And what's on today, Lynn? What are you watching?
My film premiere, Life in the Red Zone, which is Serpent and the Poison series,
Yeah.
which is all about our beautiful living river systems, which we're looking at right now.
Yes, Currumbin Creek.
Currumbin Creek,
Yeah.
where I live. And over the last year and a half, we've had that many chemicals into this creek that I'm fighting for our living waters.
Ah, terrific.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. This is all about your water. Hey?
All about the water.
And the environment.
Yeah, and our wildlife.
And pollution.
And our rights.
And what farmers do.
And our food.
And pesticides.
And all that good stuff.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Great. Good to see you, Lynn.
Yeah,
I'm looking
it's
forward to
okay.
this show. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, I've seen it.
Well, you're going to see it with people watching it.
I know,
You got to sit in the back row and see the reactions.
That's the best. Isn't
Oh,
it?
yeah. You'll love it.
But it's going to be amazing. A lot of people probably don't know what Life in the Red Zone is, but yeah, they're going to find out.
We do have a couple of families here who don't know what this film is called. It's called Serpent and the Poison.
We better make a start. You better make it soon before you break my heart.
So we recently celebrated Mother's Day. Absolutely wonderful. The Trip Hotel Southport. My son Sean there with Mum. Christian performing with Sean. Their residence at the Trip Hotel at Southport. It's in the CBD area. Absolutely awesome. The food is absolutely divine. It's a reasonably priced too. It's really nice. And the pizzas are off the charts. An imported Italian pizza oven. Have a look at that. It was absolute dream. I think it was my mum's best Mother's Day for years. It was awesome. Sport rotten. There's Christian singing away. He got second in the voice, you know. Absolutely brilliant voice. My son Sean with Mum had a wonderful time. I highly recommend this place. It's absolutely brilliant. And in between, yeah, look what's happened. Look what's happened. I am absolutely over the moon. So happy. So all the upgrades to the van with the additional all-terrain vehicles has paved the way for some pretty awesome adventures ahead. Stay awesome, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next episode.